Everywhere you look, you find smart innovations for your home and appliances, but are all of them created equal? PJ Cowell from Colony Heating and Air Conditioning is here to answer some key questions for us regarding smart thermostats and making the right choice for your powerhouse. PJ, thanks for joining us. We see all sorts of advertisements that talk about, and it seems so simple. You go out, you buy it, you attach it to a wall, but there's much more to it than that, right?
There's much more to it, Pete. You have, depending on what you need for compatibility, your installation, and what features you're looking for, it's going to vary quite a bit. And depending on what you have for a heating and cooling system, whether that's just a conventional standard furnace and air conditioner, that might take one type of thermostat. We get into some two-stage furnaces, variable speed furnaces, heat pumps. It just depends on what you have for equipment to make sure that your Wi-Fi thermostat is compatible with what type of product you have.
I'm smiling as you walk us through that, PJ, because there are a lot of variables there. Again, so I buy the smart thermostat, and I guess, again, the first thing is making sure it's compatible with what I have, and there are new systems, old systems. Walk us through that kind of the compatibility issue.
The biggest thing with these newer thermostats is they are Wi-Fi, so they need power to the thermostat to operate. They can run off batteries, but the batteries are going to run down fairly quickly. So usually we have them have what they call a C-wire that needs to run up to the existing thermostat location from the furnace.
So explain that, walk our viewers through what we hear about a C-wire.
What it is, if we have a do-it-yourselfer that wants to put that in and it's got a standard 4-wire thermostat, you have 4 wires running from the thermostat down to the appliance. And what this needs is it needs a common is what it needs. So it needs what they call a C-wire. And with that C-wire, if that's not there, you could either pull a new thermostat wire, which in some cases is kind of difficult, or you can get some adapters. I have one here that we sell a lot of. That's actually, you can plug your wires into this, and this will adapt and create your C-wire. What it does is, let's say for instance you're running your air conditioning right now. Well, you're not running your furnace, so we can use the W wire, which is what we use for heating, and we can make that a C-wire. This control will do that. When we get to the winter time, it'll reverse that. It'll take that W wire and use it for heating. It'll take the Y wire and use it for cooling. So this particular control can create that and make that work. The biggest thing with some of these thermostats and with a homeowner doing it themselves is just to make sure you know what you're doing. Obviously shut the power off first. There's a lot of people that are capable of hooking this up and hooking up a C-wire to this. But if you're not comfortable with it, you really should maybe contact your heating contractor and have this done professionally, because if this is not connected properly, you can do a lot of damage to the appliance.
And that's good to know. I mean, you know, we think about saving dollars, but you don't want to hook it up wrong and burn out a system, right? Correct.
You can burn up transformers and things like that and pay a lot more money than what it would have cost to have a service call to begin with. And usually what we'll do with them is if a homeowner ends up getting their own thermostat and it's compatible with their system, we can come out and do a clean and check on the appliance and then put that thermostat on them and they're up and running.
We've talked about compatibility, installation. Let's talk about features now that come with smart thermostats. Imagine run the gamut.
Run the gamut. We got standard Wi-Fi thermostats. We have thermostats that you can get to where, let's say you have a 2-story home. We can get sensors to mount upstairs to where that can sense that temperature and have this system come on at different times to make that more comfortable up there. We get people that travel away in the winter. Your thermostat you can actually talk and change the temperatures from your phone with these Wi-Fi thermostats, or if you're coming home from work and want to turn it up before you get home. Again, the people that are moving to Florida or Arizona, you can add different features to some of these Wi-Fi thermostats to where you can have safety features like water sensors and cameras and alarms and things like that to protect your home.
Again, I'm smiling, PJ, as you walk us through all the features that come with it, but it is amazing, again, whether it's seasonal, heating and cooling, or daily in terms of our regimented schedules that we have, and it can all be controlled from our phones, right?
Correct. And the biggest thing with these two is the energy efficiency. it's ultimately saving you some money when it's not running 24/7.
Okay, then let's also talk about, what we're paying for. What's the price on it? I imagine that can be little to a lot.
Little to a lot, depending on what we're looking for, what features we're looking for. You're going to be in the neighborhood of $400 to up to $1,000.
Well, PJ, thank you for sharing your insight. I feel smarter already, and that's a good thing. And if you'd like more information on energy-saving thermostat options and settings for your PowerHouse, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.